Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two heavyweight premium travel cards, Hilton Honors Aspire card and Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant card, both from American Express. These cards are known for their luxury hotel benefits, elite status upgrades, and exclusive travel perks. But which one truly offers better value in 2025? If you are a frequent traveler or someone who loves luxury hotel perks, then today's comparison is for you. Let's get started. The Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card is the premium travel card in Hilton's co-branded lineup with American Express. It's aimed at serious travelers who stay at Hilton properties multiple times a year, people who want top-tier status without working for it, along with tons of credits and benefits that can actually outweigh the annual fee if you maximize them. On the other hand, we have the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant card, which is also issued by the American Express, but for loyalists of the Marriott Bonvoy program. Marriott has a vast global footprint with brands like Ritz-Carlton, St. Regis, JW Marriott, and W Hotels, and the Brilliant card is designed to reward you with elite status, free night certificates, and travel credits. Both cards promise VIP level experiences and elite perks, but the ecosystems are different. Hilton offers straightforward value and easy status boosts, while Marriott leans more into aspirational luxury with a slightly more complex rewards program. Let's talk about the main features of both cards. The Hilton Honors Aspire card features. First, there's a welcome offer, and it's a limited time offer where it offers you to earn 175,000 Hilton Honors bonus points with the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card when you spend $6,000 on purchases on the card within your first 6 months of card membership. This offer earns in August. You also earn up to 14 times points on hotels and resorts. You earn 7 times points on select travel. You earn 7 times points on dining at US restaurants, including takeout and delivery, and you earn 3 times points for each dollar that is spent on other eligible purchases. That's huge. You also enjoy complimentary diamond status with your card. You get a 400 Hilton Resort credits. You can also get a free night reward, which occurs annually from Hilton Honors in your first year of card membership and every year when you renew your card. You also get a $200 flight credits, which is broken up into $50 each quarter, and a $199 Clear Plus credits. There are no foreign transaction fees on this card, and you get access to car rental loss and damage insurance. These are all great. How about the Marriott Bonvoy credit card? There's also a welcome offer. This is not time limited though. You earn up to 100,000 Marriott Bonvoy bonus points when you use your new card to make purchases of $6,000 within the first 6 months, and an extra 50,000 bonus points when you make an additional $2,000 purchases within the first 6 months. Now, what is the cashback reward system like? You earn 6 times points on hotels, 3 times points at restaurants worldwide, 3 times points on flights that are booked directly with airlines, and you earn 2 times points on every dollar that is spent on other eligible purchases. You also get a $300 Brilliant dining credit, a Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant free night award, which occurs every year after you renew your card, and a Marriott Bonvoy Platinum Elite status. There are no foreign transaction fees using this card, and each year after spending $60,000 on eligible purchases on your Marriott Bonvoy card, you will be eligible to select a Brilliant Earned Choice Award benefit. Now, these are all amazing perks and benefits. I will not fail to mention the Priority Pass Select that you also get with this card, and premium internet access when you book hotels with the card. Having talked about the amazing perks, let us talk about the pricing. For the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card, it comes with a $550 annual fee. And for the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card, it comes with a $650 annual fee. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these cards? We start with the Hilton Honors American Express and the pros. There's high value resorts and great airline credits. There are generous rewards on Hilton stays, and it has a simpler, more straightforward program. And the pros of using the Marriott Bonvoy? The dining credits are also great. Platinum Elite status is valuable at luxury properties. and there's a wider brand variety within Marriott's portfolio. And the cons of using the cards: for Hilton Honors Aspire, if you don't stay at Hilton properties often, there's limited usefulness. And the cons of Marriott Bonvoy: the earning rates outside Marriott isn't as rewarding. So having gone through all this, which card is better in 2025? Well, the Hilton Honors Aspire card offers better upfront value, easier to use credits, lower annual fee compared to Marriott Bonvoy, and no first top tier elite status. So if you want to keep things simple and want to consistently extract value with great cashback rewards, then this card is good. The Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant card is actually more appealing if you're into luxury stays, or you appreciate the versatility of the Bonvoy program and you want to get access to higher end properties. It's a bit more work to squeeze out maximum value, but for those loyal to Marriott, it's well worth it. And that's it on the comparison between both cards. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Sapphire Reserve, American Express Platinum Card, and Capital One Venture X. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.